Hello and welcome back once again to CBSE Board Economics. Today we discuss in macroeconomics the chapter budget and the economy. We won't be discussing the entire chapter because it's quite a big chapter. We will be discussing in parts and parts and parts of it. Rather in question answer form, it becomes easier for you to understand and learn. Let's start with the first question of this unit or chapter, the budget and the economy, or to be precise, the government budget. When we talk about the budget here, we are talking about the budget of the central government. Of course, every state government has its budget, but we are discussing about the budget of the central government. What exactly is a budget, or what exactly is the government budget? The government budget is a systematic statement, very systematic statement, showing the estimated receipts and expenditure of the government over a fiscal year, or we call it as accounting year or financial year, running from 1st April to 31st March. All government accounts are maintained in a fiscal year, that is from 1st April to 31st March. What it means, the 1st April we just started, 1st April 2025, and it will continue up to 31st March 2026. That is fiscal year. Fiscal year in economics is also called as financial year or accounting year. All mean same. Remember, fiscal year, financial year, accounting year, they start from 1st April and continue up to 31st March of next year. So what exactly is a budget? Now we'll discuss in detail this small question, a very important. Maybe it will come only just for 1 mark, but you understand, then it becomes easier to understand the whole unit of the chapter. What exactly is a budget? The budget, every year the government presents a budget in the parliament. Who presents it? The finance minister, Nirmala Sitharaman. She presents the budget. Maybe at the end of February, they present the budget. The finance minister. What it means? The finance minister tells the parliamentarians or the parliament that she is going to collect this amount of taxes from the public, maybe direct taxes, indirect taxes, GST, everything inclusive of that. So for example, they say we are going to collect this financial year 25-26 100 crores from the public as taxes, and how they are going to spend this 100 crores, maybe on education, maybe on agriculture, maybe on defense. So they divide this 100 crores into different sectors of the economy: agriculture, defense, law and order, infrastructure, and a part of this budget or the taxes they collected, they give it to the state governments. So that is how the finance minister presents in the parliament, saying that they are going to collect this many taxes and going to spend. That is exactly the budget. So what exactly is the budget? The budget or the government budget is a systematic, it's a very systematic statement. Systematic in the sense everything is written there in a systematic under different heads. Agriculture and different parts of agriculture. Education, how much they're going to spend it on primary education, how much they're going to spend it on secondary education, universities, and this is a systematic statement showing the estimated, this is for the next financial year, the coming financial year, showing the estimated receipts and expenditure of the government during a fiscal year running from 1st April to 31st March. So that exactly is the government. What exactly is the government budget? It is a systematic statement showing the estimated receipts and expenditure of the government over a fiscal year running from 1st April to 31st March. I told you fiscal year is also called as financial or accounting year. Financial year, accounting year, fiscal year. You can use these terms alternatively in your examination in the whole of macroeconomics. That exactly is what is budget? You can read on the board here. See, look at this one. Budget and the economy. What is a budget? The budget is an annual statement of the systematic estimated receipts and expenditures of the government over the fiscal year, which runs from 1st April to 31st March. Fiscal year oblique financial year oblique accounting year all means same. That's exactly what is budget. In the coming videos, we'll be discussing what are the objectives of budget in detail, the 4 objectives. Then we'll be discussing the components of the budget. Okay, that is the capital budget, revenue budget, what are its components with examples. And finally, we'll be discussing deficits in the budget. That is different deficits we'll be discussing, revenue deficit, fiscal deficit, and primary deficit. We'll be discussing all these things. So don't forget to watch those videos too. Please do comment how do you find these videos, and if you need any help, do write in the description box. We'll try to explain, we'll try to bring more videos for you. The more you watch, the more motivated we are to present you more videos. That's all we have time for this video. Thank you guys. Till we meet next time, goodbye. Keep preparing for the examinations. There's plenty of time. Gradually, slow and steady wins the race. Bye-bye. Keep smiling.